pull the tarp. We got storm-like situation here. Inside Wrigley Field, the Peoria Chiefs are playing the Kane County Cougers. Talking about putting the tarp down, the wind's blowing. I don't know. No, we're not going downstairs. Huge storm coming through here. And they aren't going to pull the tarp. They're going to keep playing with the thunder and lightning. Kids trying to get out on the field after the game's over underneath. I don't know if that's going to work. What? Where? Way up high? Yeah. Yeah. Can I go up? Leave your phone on. You guys want to go up?
Yeah.
They want to look at the storm. In the same seats. Same exact seats.
Okay.
Oh my God. Okay, there's more thunder here. That's it. Really coming down. Woo. 10:05. Not yet. We aren't going on the field tonight, I don't think. Woo. 10:05.